Here's date and time. We just lost it. This is going to be the other side elevator at the Great Wolf Lodge in Sandusky, Ohio. It's another Otis Series 1. I'm skipping the lobby, but that button's loose. This one's the normal 90s Series 1 button. Up here it comes. Here it is. Here it is. Before we go anywhere, let's get a cab view. It's a nice elevator. There's Meijer over there. Series 1 fixtures, 2,500 pound capacity. This is elevator number 4. There's the phone. Here's the certificate. Pause when I read it. It's not bad. Okay, the glare on this one's much better. Not much to worry about. Oh, this one goes into trees at the bottom. I like that. Going up? Which floor?
4.
Perfect. Come on in. I'm staying on. I'm just riding.
All the way in the back, guys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're going to go up. You're going to see outside.
Yeah, we've done
We haven't been in this one before. I don't remember. Do you?
You've been there like one time when we were leaving. I was just gonna put it on and put my Fitbit on so it would like block it from coming out. It's too loose.
Can you take it back off?
Here you go. You guys have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Look, it's too loose.
Why didn't you put it on this?
Because I thought it would be.
You're welcome. Door close button works, right? Let's look out the window for our beautiful view of the Meijer. Basically, if you're going to Sandusky Mall, it's really the only place you can go to ride elevators since their Macy's is closed and everything else is single story, and yet JCPenney is the only anchor store there now. See how into the hallway? Door close button works. This is a much smaller Great Wolf Lodge compared to the one in Mason. There's our State Route 250. Here we're at 4. And we're going to end up here. There's the MPE. There it goes. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.